We are back. We are back on the No Nonsense Trader channel, and I am Dave. And today we're going to be looking at the West Texas custom project for oil. Let's get started. Let's get into it. If you're new to StrategyQuant, like many people emailing me, and you're considering buying it, it's really expensive. So take your time, think about it, and you can use these coupon codes right here and get it a little bit cheaper. So take some time to make your decision before you buy it. We're on the blog. I'll link this in the description below so that you can download it right from this button right here from Dropbox. I'm going to get into the data for the West Texas crude oil. It's a little bit different than the other one, and it might take some explaining. So let's get into that. We're in the StrategyQuant software. Let's go to the data manager and get that oil. We're going to add the oil here, and this is WTI. This is different than the Brent crude. This is West Texas oil. We're gonna download it minute one. I'm using IC markets, and then we're gonna press save, and then we've got to choose our instrument. So remember, if you're choosing your instrument on a different broker profile, it could be called US oil. Now for IC markets, we're gonna go all the way down to the X's, and this one is called XTI USD underscore IC markets. Here are the custom projects, 3 of them for West Texas oil. I'm going to say one thing that's different than the Brent crude oil is the daily charts. And I'm going to show you how you can change the daily charts to match with something that you like as well. So on the daily chart one, this one is different than the Brent crude because on the trading options, it says exit on Friday and it's turned off. So you can turn it back on or you can turn it back off, but I find it makes so many more strategies if you just turn it off. Okay, and then remember, you're gonna turn it off for all of the different retests. So don't forget to go through the entire thing to turn off all of the Friday or turn them back on. So if we go back up to the Brent crude, we can see here trading options exit on Friday is turned on. Okay, that's gonna be a lot different of a strategy, so consider that when you move forward and make strategies with the daily chart. All I ask for is that you press the thumbs up button. If you like what I do here on this channel, write me a comment, write me an email, give me some positive motivation. I appreciate it very much. And I've been trying to make some strategies on natural gas next, and we'll see if I can do that and create a custom project for that, for natural gas. Maybe I'll put that out in the future, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.